Migration is an incredible journey for fish. Fish don't migrate for fun. They do it for survival. But what exactly happens when fish migrate? This is the journey of a lifetime for them. For many species, migration starts when the water warms. They begin to feel an internal call to move. The purpose of migration? Reproduction and food. In freshwater rivers, the journey can be long. Some fish swim thousands of miles to breed. Their migration route is determined by their species. But it's not just about following the current. It's about navigating vast, unfamiliar territories. They use the Earth's magnetic field to guide them. Some species use the stars to navigate. It's truly mind-blowing how they find their way. They swim against strong river currents with ease. The fish seem to know exactly where to go. How do they do it? No one knows for sure. Their instincts are finely tuned for this journey. Along the way, fish encounter predators. Some fish lose their lives to these dangers, but the journey continues, driven by pure instinct. For others, it's about finding food in the deep sea. Oceans offer plentiful resources, but are far away. Migration is a way to access these hidden riches. Species like salmon migrate from river to ocean. They swim through icy waters, battling frigid temperatures. Yet they push forward, driven by necessity. It's a remarkable story of survival and tenacity. Fish rely on various environmental signals. They read the water temperature and stars. They sense the Earth's magnetic fields to orient themselves. It's almost like they have built-in GPS. Some fish even travel to specific locations. These locations have remained unchanged for centuries. During migration, fish are highly vulnerable. They have to avoid predators and fishermen. It's a dangerous journey, but the fish press on. Some fish migrate solo, while others travel in schools. Traveling in schools offers protection from predators. Their teamwork makes their long migration more effective. It's a dangerous world, but fish have adapted. Migration may take weeks, months, or even years. The journey is not always smooth sailing. Fish face constant challenges on their way. As fish approach their breeding grounds, things intensify. They start preparing for one of the most critical moments. For salmon, this means navigating upstream to spawn. Their bodies change as they enter breeding season. They stop eating and focus entirely on reproduction. Some species even change color to attract mates. It's an exhausting process that tests their endurance, but it's essential for the future of their species. For other fish, like eels, their journey is more complex. Eels are born in the Sargasso Sea, far from land. They travel to freshwater rivers, grow, and then return. They complete an incredible round-trip journey. Unlike salmon, eels breed in the open ocean. They never see their parents, yet continue their legacy. For migrating fish, it's not just about reproduction. It's also about preserving their way of life. Without migration, these species would not exist. Migration is critical for keeping fish populations stable. It's a cycle that has been ongoing for millennia. In some cases, fish migrate in groups to avoid dangers. Fish migrations are a spectacle in nature. They attract scientists, tourists, and even predators. Not all fish migrations are the same. Some fish travel only short distances to breed. Others travel across entire continents. In some cases, migration routes have been changed. Human interference has altered many of these paths. Dams, pollution, and overfishing have made migration harder. Migration for fish is now even more dangerous. Despite the challenges, they continue to migrate. Fish have an incredible ability to adapt. Some have learned to migrate in new ways. They use different routes or adapt their timing. It's fascinating to see how adaptable they can be. As they migrate, fish provide ecological benefits. Their movements help distribute nutrients across ecosystems. Their journey affects the entire food web. When fish migrate, they also feed other animals. Eagles, bears, and even humans benefit from their migration. The ripple effects of fish migration are immense. But migration isn't without cost. Many fish die during their long migrations. Some never make it to their final destination. Migration takes a huge toll on their bodies. But the species that survive thrive. Once fish reach their breeding grounds, the real work begins. They find suitable spots to lay their eggs. For salmon, this means digging nests in riverbeds. Other fish use coral reefs or ocean floors. They lay their eggs in carefully selected locations. After laying eggs, many fish die. Their death closes the migration cycle, but their eggs remain, continuing the legacy. The young hatch and begin their journey. These new fish learn to swim with the tides. They rely on the survival skills of their parents. For some species, migration is a lifetime commitment. They will return to the same waters to breed. The cycle of life continues, generation after generation. Not all fish survive to complete their migration. The journey is a gamble for many. Some never make it due to predators or exhaustion. But for those who survive, their journey is a triumph. Fish migration is vital for genetic diversity. It strengthens the species by mixing gene pools. This diversity makes them more resilient to changes. It helps ensure their survival in an ever-changing world. Migrations also introduce new genetic material into ecosystems. It helps ecosystems remain robust and adaptable. The timing of migration is also crucial. Fish migrate when conditions are just right. They wait for the perfect temperature and food availability. The right timing makes migration more successful. Climate change, however, is messing with their timing. Rising temperatures are pushing migration earlier or later. This change affects the availability of food. It makes the journey more difficult for fish. Some fish are even unable to complete their migration. Scientists are monitoring these changes closely. They're trying to understand how climate affects migrations. The future of fish migration is uncertain. What happens next is still unfolding. As fish continue to adapt, the cycle moves forward. They evolve and learn to face new challenges. Their resilience is one of nature's greatest strengths. Even as challenges arise, fish keep pushing forward. Migration is not just about survival, it's about persistence. The will to keep going drives these amazing creatures. Fish migration teaches us about the power of determination, and their journey continues to inspire wonder. Migrating fish are a key part of nature's balance. Without their migration, ecosystems would be severely impacted. Their presence in ecosystems helps maintain stability. They transport nutrients from one place to another. This fertilizes ecosystems, promoting healthy plant growth. Their migration directly supports the health of rivers and oceans. Fish migrations are a sign of a healthy environment. But with more human activity, this balance is under threat. Dams, pollution, and overfishing have disrupted migrations. Without action, these impacts could become irreversible. It's crucial to protect the migration routes of fish. Many countries are now working on conservation efforts. They are building fish ladders and reducing pollution. Conservation efforts are helping fish reclaim their paths. These efforts are helping to restore fish populations. The hope is to keep the cycle of migration intact. Every year, more fish can return to their breeding grounds. The actions we take today will determine the future. Protecting migration routes is vital for the survival of fish, and their survival is critical for the health of ecosystems. Fish migration is a powerful reminder of nature's resilience. It's a testament to the strength of life. Their journey is an inspiring story of survival. The migration of fish is a gift we must protect. By preserving their paths, we safeguard the future. The journey of these fish teaches us about hope. It shows us how every step counts. Each migration is a small victory in nature's book. Let's work together to protect their amazing journey. The future of fish migration depends on our actions. It's not just their future, it's our future too. As the tides change, fish will continue to move, and we must ensure their paths remain clear. So next time you see a fish, think of its journey. Remember the incredible migration that took place. Migration is more than survival, it's a celebration of life. We must honor this journey and protect it. For every fish that migrates, a story is told, and that story is one of hope, struggle, and strength. Fish migration is a natural marvel. It's a reminder that life finds a way, and we must help protect this way. Let's ensure future generations of fish can migrate and keep the cycle of life going strong. Fish migration is a journey worth preserving.